Okie dokie, so this is the JBL Charge 5, little unboxing video. I have to say, at first looks, this box looks a lot nicer than the Extreme 3 or whatever I just unboxed a minute ago. That was pretty weird. It's got this little, whichever way it's meant to be, it's got this little magnetic tab at the bottom. And that pulls out. That's quite fancy. Then you got this little thing with probably some, oh, it's got a cable in it. So it's a USB-C cable there. For charging, I'm guessing. Just a USB though, no brick, which is quite useless really. And then this has got like a little cloth over it. That's quite cute actually. It looks exactly the same as the other one, like literally. It's just smaller and lighter.
It's very cute.
Yeah, so that's the charging port there. And then you've got that would be the USB out to charge your phone with, which is supposedly the entire idea of this speaker really, because it's called a Charge 5. But I guess we'll see how good it is in that in my review at some point. Yeah, I'm guessing this is waterproof, otherwise it wouldn't be on the outside. Yeah, basically it looks exactly the same as the Extreme 3, as it would, I suppose, because it's from the same range, but... So that's my that's the unboxing. If you want the review, then you can watch that as well later on.